So hey guys, what's up buddies? Your host Mr. Master, and I'm back with a new amazing video like always once again guys. So you may have a very high speed internet connection, but then also you complain why your latency or ping is very high in the game and you always suck.
What have you done wrong?
Keep calm baby, blame it on LHUGGG lag.
So even if you have tried the resetting modem and started with this video guys, just follow the steps which I'm currently showing in this video and I hope it will work for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe if it really worked. So yeah, so let's begin guys. So as you can see, currently my ping is around 80 or 40 whatever. So yeah, so let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is just go ahead to start and type regedit. You could also go ahead with the run itself. What you need to do is just go ahead to the following location. I can't tell each and everything, as you can see in the bottom of this video. That is the HK local machine, then to the software, then to the Microsoft, and then to the Windows NT, and lastly to the multimedia. And until you go ahead and until that is system profile, you will see the folder named as network throttling. Default the value will be 0. What you need to do is just go ahead and enter the value to 8 times. You're ready to go. So now let's go ahead with the step number 2 guys. Similarly, just go ahead and type to regedit once again guys. Now similarly, just go ahead and see the following location in the bottom of this video. Just go ahead to this following location. Once you are in the interference folder guys, you will out of these many folders just select any one folder in which see something like this, that is the chip default gateway file name. So once you find this chip default gateway, that means you are in the correct folder guys. Then what you do on D30 word, and what you do is just go ahead and rename this to TCP pack frequency. Similarly, now create a new key again. What you need to do is just go ahead and right click, create a new D32 word once again guys. And what you need to do here is similarly just go ahead and enter it, name it as TCP delay. That's it. So once you're done with it, what you need to do, just similarly just double click on the TCP pack frequency and name the value to 1, and similarly just go ahead and TCP no delay also set the value to 1. So that's it. When you're done with this, you are ready with this step also. Now similarly, now just go ahead to the next step. In this, what you need to do, you guys just go ahead to regedit once again. Now let me go back to starter itself. Select the local machine software, and just similarly I can't tell the whole location, just go ahead to this location itself. Okay guys, what you need to do is just go ahead and select Microsoft, and once you're in the Microsoft folder guys, just make sure that you have selected that folder and create a new key and name it as MCMQ. So by default it may be there on your PC, but if it is not, then just get and in that create the parameter folder once again guys. And sorry, I did by default. Yeah, so once you're there, now what you need to do, just go ahead and create a new key and name it as TCP no delay. So that's it. Once you're done, rename the value to 1, but not the least. You can just go ahead to the control panel, then to the network and interface, and to the network connection, and you may see something like this. Just go ahead and go ahead to the properties, and in the preferred DNS server guys, just enter these following values, and similar to alternate DNS server, just name it to 8844, and that's it. Now just lastly but not the least, just go ahead and restore so to take it effect. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I really pray that this video really works for you, and if it, then don't forget to like and subscribe this video for more, and also share with one of your friends it worked for you. So till then, bye guys, see you in my next video. It's your host Mr. Master signing out.